Hello folks, welcome back to Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts. Behind me is the Honda HS80 that we're going to be giving away to members on our Honda Snowblower Enthusiast group on Facebook. I wanted to show you how it works. I put a lot of work into it. We do have a small issue with the reverse jerking. So I wanted to show that. This is this drawing Christmas giveaway is open up to members of our Facebook group only. So go visit there if you're interested. Oh, we're in the Lake Tahoe area, California, Nevada. If you're within the driving distance and can pick up, we're going to have the drawing on December 14th at noon. We do this every year. Sometimes we do more than one a year. It's a lot of fun for me, and it's a way to show my appreciation for everybody on the Facebook group and the YouTube channel. So let me get it started, and we'll go through the various functions. As you can see, it works okay. It's just the reverse is a little bit choppy. I've tried every trick in the book that I know. I've worked on hundreds of the older Honda HS50, 55, 70, and 80 with the manual transmission. I tried adjusting the cable, the tension for the friction disc, worked on the different adjustments. The friction disc does not have a dead spot as somebody suggested. So I just wanted to show you, it's not the greatest Honda, but it looks like it's going to work forward pretty good if you plan your work very well where you're not having to back up very much. Even though it does work a little bit in reverse, you can see it takes a little bit of time. So before you go on the Facebook group and comment that you're in the drawing or whatever, make sure that you need this or can use it the way it is. It's free, you know. It's a drawing for a free snowblower, and I really enjoy doing this, of course. And I just trying to let you folks know what you're getting. Some people in the past have won these snowblowers and given it to a neighbor or a family member or somebody that really needs it, or you can keep it yourself. I really don't care what you do with it, just as long as it keeps it out of the junkyard, okay? We saved it. I bought it a couple hours from here from somebody, you know, that told me that they couldn't get it started or working or anything, and I did a lot of work on it in the last month, you know, getting it running again and getting everything working again. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We've got over 300 videos to help you save money on Honda snowblowers, and we'll see you next time.